Hey everyone, welcome back to PHP Travels. In this video, we are going to learn how we can add a new language or even extend or modify the available languages in the system. So once you log in as an admin to your website, from settings, just click on the languages. Over the languages page, you can see all the available languages over here. So for now, I'm just going to delete one language. This is how you can delete any language. You can enable or disable the languages. For example, if you don't want any language, let's say I have disabled the Spanish from the website. Now when I refresh the page, you will no longer able to see the Spanish language over here. So if you want to enable it, you can enable it from here. You can also make any language by default. So when the website is loaded, for now I have made the default language English. You can make any language by default as well. And now I will tell you how you can add a new language. Just click on the create new, and from this page type the name of your language you want to be added to the system. Like I'm using Vietnamese. Right to left to left to right to left, whatever the language direction is. Then select the country. I'm selecting Vietnam, and then add the country code, for in my case, because the Vietnamese are VN. Now I have added the language, but that's not all. Like this, we have right now we just have added the Vietnamese, but it doesn't mean we have the installed the language. To install the language in translations, we must, let me open a VS Code to show you the structure. Under the app lang, you can see all the translation files are over here, but there is no VN file. So we have to create that manually. There's two ways. For example, one, we can copy the English and paste it and then rename it and then translate all these words ourselves. The other way is the automated way. Let me just show you how that works. When you install the product, you will get the installer file. In that installer file, there is a file called translate.php. You could have that in your files. Just upload it anywhere on the server and then directly hit that file. When you hit that file, you will automatically see the file like this one, and it will have the new language available over here. You just need to click on the start translation. Once you click on the start translation, it will automatically create the translation for this file. And now let me just show you. We have got the VN JSON file. Click on, and now just click on the VN. You can see this file has been added to our system, and all the languages are being translated automatically. And the system will take minimum around 10 minutes to 15 minutes to complete the entire translation for you. This is in progress. You don't need to add any API keys, nothing. It will be automatically translated for you. Once the translation is done, then you can move directly to your website to see the language. So let it complete. Once it's completed, then you can, if you are on localhost on your not the live website, you can just complete this on local and upload this file to your live website and just add into your website the VN JSON file. So now you can see there must be, you can see the Vietnamese file over here, but we will not click it right now because the translation has been not completed yet. Once this has been completed, then we can use it. So I hope it was a very easy. If you have any question, you can submit a support ticket. Thank you and have a good day.